Dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Danko. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN 8 semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by a friend. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
I'm from Attersville. My name is Kolani Mbat.
Kolani, you want to game?
Very disappointed.
In what?
I might say about Sundowns play.
Okay.
Very lethargic.
Yeah.
We can't create chances in the first half. One shot on target. First half, the whole game.
Imagine.
Very disappointed about this club, but I hope the technical team, wherever they are, wherever they are now, their introspection needs to happen.
Who should introspect, my brother?
You cannot play a game like this and sit our
Tempazwane. Yes, your star player.
And then you introduce him late in the second half after we've conceded a goal.
Wow.
I mean, really, it's very disappointing. But hey, I love this club.
Yes,
I love this club. I'm very hurt today. But hopefully next time we'll come up with something else. But this performance was very below par.
Below par?
Very below par for me. I'm very disappointed, my brother.
Are you happy with Mangoba Mngiti?
I can't say I'm happy with him because Sundowns has gone backwards. So I cannot say I'm happy with him.
Sundowns has gone
backwards.
It's like we
are starting afresh.
Yeah.
It's like we are starting afresh, building a new team. Meanwhile, we had a team last season. A full team with everything. But I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed, my blood.
Did you have a man of the match, my brother?
On my side.
Stevens.
Look for the game.
Man of the match, you can leave it for other people. But my club, I'm very disappointed.
It's not make sure. But
just like that, my brother.
Don't worry.
You can leave it for other analysts. But for me, I'm very disappointed about Sundowns.
The first game
today was a disappointing performance for me.
Hey, my brother.
Honestly, how can you leave Mshishi out?
I don't understand.
If you want, we are playing at home. We are here for him. You know that. I've got my kids here to come and watch him. They couldn't see him.
Because he's on the bench.
He's on the bench.
How can they put Mshishi out on the bench?
I don't understand. Ask the camera.
No, you know what?
Ask your management.
I think it's time to get rid of that coach. You need Benima card. Yes. You need Benima card.
Not Mangoba.
No, not Mangoba. It doesn't know football, that one.
Mangoba doesn't know football.
It doesn't know football.
Disappointed, sir.
I'm very disappointed with this coach.
I'm very disappointed.
Thank you very much, my brother.
I think so.